Alright boys, before we start today's upload, I want to let you know that Hard Work Force is still live with 10-time entries. If you don't know, Hard Work Force is give you away brand new GoPro 9 Hero. This is the bundle though. It comes with like extra battery, the SD card, the self-stick, the case, everything you need, and the brand new GoPro, which is very cool. The brand new GoPro has a screen on the front, so it's perfect for vlogging or for adventure, whatever you want to do. This thing is perfect. And what you have to do is just go to Hard Work Force. Every dollar you spend give you 10 entries. If you get a key tag, $10, you get 100 entries. So if you get a hoodie, that's another 300 entries. So I think it's a good way to do a giveaway, because you support the channel and also you get something and you get a chance to win. You know what I'm saying? You're always getting something, and I hope to have you guys support. Also, right now there's a video of my truck on Truck Central. I'll leave the link in the description below for the Truck Central. We are featuring the Colorado on Truck Central. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. And I have so much stuff to do, but I don't care. I love it, having stuff to do. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Matty here, as always. So if you're here for the first time, subscribe. You know what? Sometimes in life, you gotta make updates, because people have been asking me what's going on with the cars. I didn't have time to do an update. And by the way, if you didn't go to Hard Work Force, go to Hard Work Force. Check it out so you can support the channel. Hard Work Force, it's a brand that I stand for, that you can only accomplish things in life if you work for, and I want to create that community so we can share, so we can go get our goals and don't let anybody do anything to us or stop us. That's basically what Hard Work Force stands for. So check it out. You can support the channel by getting some merch, and sometimes you win some stuff. So far the cars have been changed a lot, the truck and the car. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put both outside so we can do an update, and I can share also some thoughts with you guys. So today it's gonna be, if you're here for the first time, you're gonna get a chance to know a little bit of me and what I have done with my cars. And also, if you're an OG subscriber, you also gonna get some news. Well, it's crazy to think about how much those two vehicles changed since I started doing stuff with them. Alright, as I said, I just want to give you guys a walkthrough what's going on here and what are the plans for the future. As you guys know, I have a 2017 Chevy Colorado. Right now it's pretty much the way, you know, I want to be honest. Like, it's a rough country 6-inch lift kit. I got a lot of questions. Which kind of wheels and tires are? They are 20 by 12, negative 44, and tires are 33. You can fit those in a Colorado, but you gotta trim, and it's just an overview. I know if you are OG subscriber, you are tired to see it. So far, I did my headlights by myself. I will leave in the link in the description below so you can check it out. I don't have any problems, which I'm surprised. I was afraid that I would get water on it and all this stuff. I still have a couple of things to do. Here is what we're gonna do. I'm still shopping for a car for my wife, which should go there. And once I get that car, I have a daily driver for her, because as of now I'm driving the Corvette everywhere I go because she's driving the truck. So we're gonna do color match in the front, which is gonna be, I have some surprise for you, but I cannot do because the car has to be down for at least a week so we can put everything apart, take it to a place to paint it, and then we go from there, right? Other than that is a couple of modifications to make this car more comfortable, if you will, which I mean it's shocks. Again, we're gonna try to do this by ourselves. It's gonna be a challenge, but I will try. I probably gonna get a new cover just because mine's kind of beat up, but I still can hold on that. I want to do some power coating on underneath just to keep the truck in a pristine way that it is right now, right? So as far as the Corvette goes, dude, it's so fun to see those cars in this position, because I would try to take a picture and compare how they look now from this angle and how they look before. That's how they look before, and that's now. So it's crazy to see the transformation. So this is my 2007 Corvette, has a LS2 on it. I put a front lip on it. I also painted this probably was the worst project that I ever did by myself, which was replacing the lenses and painting the house in black. I got an aftermarket hood in carbon fiber. Of course, you cannot see the the carbon fiber because it's painted. I think here you can see a little bit. I love it. The stripes the way it is just complete the car. My wheels are still stock wheels, but they are plastic in gold. Change completely the car. I painted the calipers myself. I added the side skirts. We have the Oracle Miracles with the lights on, which this thing rocks. Everywhere I go, people want to know which kind of light, which kind of mirror are those. I got aftermarket tail lights with sequential, and they just changed the car completely. I have a Borla axle back and the 01 spoiler. I'm just going over stuff, and that's pretty much outside. The inside, I did a bunch of stuff inside. As you can tell, it's a Corvo Evo Wax seat, which, dude, those seats, they change completely the car. I think that so far is the best modification I did to this car, to be honest. I did also color match seat belts, and I changed the entire center console for carbon deep one. And as you can tell here, I have a MGW short shifter, and also my cluster, it's also carbon deeped. And I updated the head unit too, because hey, everyone wanted to hear good music and good stuff, right? Speed engineer header sitting here. I'm just waiting. I got all the kits on it. I have the O2 sensors there. I have the spark plugs over there. So it's good to go. I can't wait to do that. And the other thing I'm gonna do to this car, and that's like a long-term project, we're gonna do a wide body on it. I want to do the Z06 wide body on it. Maybe I'm still thinking running numbers if it's worth to paint it or wrapping the entire car in a different color. We'll see how that goes, but I really want to do that. I think it's gonna change. But just remember, when you do that in a car like this, you gotta put new wheels and tires, which I believe I'm going with the 01 C7 wheels. But again, it's a lot of money on the line, so we're gonna wait for it, right? I also, let's call next season on my channel, I'm gonna start doing stuff in my garage, which we basically did. I don't know if you guys remember, I put that wall, we didn't have that wall in there, so I put a TV, it's way better, but as you can tell, the floor, it's a mess. So I'm gonna redo the floor by myself in a budget, and I'm gonna share that with you guys. I can't wait to have this place clean, and it's clean, but this is just like the previous owner of this house just put it like, they painted, and you see here where the tires of the cars, they pull the paint off. That means it's just bad paint. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna sand the entire floor, we're gonna do epoxy, but I'm just gonna leave there. I will do at some point. The weather has to be nice, everything has to work so we can kind of do that. I really worry about the oil leak there, but this is my update. One thing I forgot to mention for the truck, I'm gonna put bags on the back because I think I'm gonna start towing more. I don't know what I'm gonna tow, but I think you guys can tell, right? And also I'm putting a lot of stuff on the bed, so it's kind of good to have, you know, airbags in there. And also one thing, it's on the plans. I just need to figure out when I'm gonna do it. I want to put like a onboard air compressor. I think a truck like this needs, just because I still don't have the spare tire the same size I have those, and it is what it is, all right? But anyway, I just want to give you guys a really update. I know a lot of new people here. We just crossed 6,000 subscribers, which is crazy. It's crazy to think about 6,000 people were willing to click that subscribe button on a channel like mine, which we just do things for fun. I really appreciate you guys. As always, thank you so much. I think I should do videos more like this once in a while, just to thank you guys for watching. Again, YouTube is not my main thing. I'm still doing this on the side, so takes a little bit more time than normal to get stuff done when you are dealing with your own money, and just when you have family and all the kind of stuff. It's not easy, and I really appreciate your guys' support. Just a little bit, what are the plans for those 2 cars in the garage, and actually the channel as a whole. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. As always, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. There are a bunch of links on the description below. You can take advantage of it, and I hope to see you guys next one. As always, never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.